Hi, it's Mike here. I've got a quick 5 minutes to spare, so I'm going to take a quick cheeky battle out in the Leo Tier 5, which has had its gun unnerfed, so it should be back to its old form of glory. Let's go and have a look and see if it is. Okay, so we're going to go in there for a normal encounter battle. We're on the Mirage map. It's one of my favourites, to be fair. I quite like the Mirage map. It's a classic. Desert, it's great for the Leo. I normally like the rail side. We'll go and get some early spots. Nobody I recognise on the teams really. Oh, we've got Irish on our side here. He's have to recognise the Irish clan. We've got an Electo tier 4 top tier, which is good. I think they've gone a big left. Yeah, look. Definitely gone left. See if the TDs have gone. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Gotta love the Electo. Possibly the worst tank known to man. You're seriously thinking of coming to take me on? I remember when I first started playing the game in the Electo. Oh man, I've never gone back to it, but alright. It's such a bad tank. It's such a slow gun. It's got quite good traverse, but the guns are just so ED. A long time ago. It's good to have the full 12 shells in the gun nowadays, though. It just makes such a big difference. There we go. Back to its nasty self. We've got a T-25 there trying to put holes in me. See if we can finish this. One in him there. Oh, there we go. He's gonna shoot me, yeah. Wow. Auto aim on. Use him as a shield. The Nightmare's still alive, is he? Let's go and get him. See if I can finish this T-25 actually as he comes. Close. Yeah, there we go. A nice battle in the Leo. It's good to have its 12 shells gun back. It's not the best game ever, but not the worst game either. It's great fun though. I'm gonna start playing this one a lot more. That's for sure. Thanks again for joining us. That was a quick Leo battle. I'm going to do probably a few series on this one because it seriously is one of my favourite tanks, and I was really miffed when they nerfed it in that 5.5 update. But now it's back to its former glory. It's should be able to have some good fun in it. Excellent. See you again next time. Cheers.